Good morning, students. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. As you can see, I am Navy retired. Whoever is watching the video, I hope you guys are preparing for Artificer Apprentice as well as SSR. So, as we are aware that we have the notification which has come, and whoever is applied, I want you guys to watch full video and have a look in my playlist also. So, what exactly the video consists is, so whoever is watching this video, if you don't understand English, I am very sorry guys, you are unfit for Navy job, because whatever the work function over there, you will have to work maximum English language. This is the what exactly is essential for Indian Navy. So if you are not good at English, you will be remaining as a sailor and you don't have any kind of further progression in your naval career. So whoever is watching this video, so please have patience and go through the video, whatever has been given the details, and whatever the details I will be given, so that details are experience based. So what exactly we have to remember in this video is what exactly we have to carry during the examination, what exactly the strategy, exam strategy, how to attempt them. We have the sectional wise cutoff and the negative markings we have, and check whether they have whether there are examination negative marking are there. You check with the examination wherever you go and attempt. So think it as if there is no negative marks, then you attempt all the questions, you bubble everything. So depends on the place where you go and start sitting over there, they will tell you whether you have the sectional cutoff or not. And the results announcement will be the same day as you have given in the notification. PFT and medical will be there. The medical date will be promulgated later on. So what exactly the results, and you can see each and every step with the good clarity. What exactly you have to carry? Please get the face mask, sanitizer is very important, and water bottle which is of transparent nature, that has to be carried. So these are the few which is a mandatory thing. And have the hanky with you. Don't carry the tissues maximum, because you have to throw somewhere. So if you have the hanky, that will be very good. Use your hanky whenever you sneeze in the public or in examination. Wash your hands after you sneeze and sanitize regularly. So whenever you feel like you must sanitize your hands, you better sanitize. There is no shy in sanitizing your hand. It shows the way your personality is. Next we have inform the staff if you have cough and fever. Others inform abnormality. So if you feel someone is having the problem in cough and fever and he is creating some problem in your examination section, you can directly inform, sir, he has some problem. That will be monitored by the staff. The staff will look into them, so they will keep him aside. And have the money wherever you are going. You should have the money as well as clothing minimum of for the 4 days, because the corona, whatever the stage we are facing now, please have the essential clothing and the money with you. Wherever you struck, you have to maintain, you have to stay there for a few days. So it's better to stay there and have the lodging, and must carry a good money as well as cloth. Strict rules. You have to be cordial with the staff. So wherever you go, you have to be cooperative. Don't make any jovial statements. Don't do any monkey acts. Don't talk unnecessarily. You have to maintain the social distance in examination hall. And if you have a cough, please go through whatever the medication you can take, get it cured. If you feel like you have the gloves, wear the gloves and masks and hand sanitizers, as well as you have to wear the clothing like full sleeve t-shirts. That will be very nice. And the cotton type. What the documents you have to carry? So though you are going for the examination, carry the admit card, laser jet printer. You take the color printout of it. Don't do any kind of conjuicy, or don't be miser. At this some stage you have to carry the color printout. Carry the photographs, minimum of 3. Should have the light background. Don't wear any kind of spectacles and don't wear any kind of hat. be smart and go for a photograph of current photograph. Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID. So better you carry the Aadhaar and the original as well as Xerox, both. You have to give the Xerox if they ask. Pen must be whatever the pen, you better carry black and blue. And pencil and eraser, it has to be with you, because once you go into the examination section where you have to tick the questions answers in the booklet they provide. If they provide offline will be there. So there you have to tick the questions with the pencil and rub them. If they say don't put any mark in the question paper, so don't have any problem, you can put the mark and you can start going for the examination, and you can attempt whatever the questions you want. Carry the original documents, 10th and 12th documents you must have. There you will be putting one stamp behind the mark sheet, so you better carry the original. Domicile and other documents also, where you can keep your documents as well as bags at some place, and you can directly go for the exams. And the COVID free certificate, as it is given in the notification, this certificate has to be 72 hours prior. So you have to go to the hospital just the day before you have the train. So there you go to the hospital and take the COVID free certificate, show them admit card, they will do that, and you take the certificate from the respective hospitals. And what exactly the admit card says, so follow the procedure, the photographs and sign wherever they say. You have to paste and you have to sign respective places. So wherever the required invigilator, in front of the invigilator, you can be signing that, and be cordial with the staff. If you have any kind of queries, you can call me on this mobile number 766730 If you want the examination materials, you can get it by speed post or postal services. All papers and video explanations are given. Go through the playlist, and the best material for all exams will be given. You have more than 1600 plus videos in it. You can check the playlist. I want you guys to join in Telegram, where you have the picturized explanations. All pictures have been given that can be learned very easily. You can join Defense ICTA Telegram. So more than 4000 plus questions and everything has been given. And the playlist, as you can see, I had made one playlist, Navy SSR, Artificer Apprentice and MR playlist. So you please have a look of those videos. English playlist as well as GK playlist and Maths playlist. I am sorry for the intermediate guys, I have not made any kind of integration, differentiation based questions, because I make only up to arithmetic level. So you can directly go through that. So if you want the material, you will be given by speed post. That charges 1500 rupees for all the GK as well as English and physics and chemistry. So the written examination, whatever the exam we have, so you can directly go through the description below. You have a Telegram link and you can join in that. So current affairs will be asked. Chief Minister and governors, you will be having 1 or 2 questions, and capital and currency among this. Dance forms, authors and novels and sports terms, battles, awards and trophies, and the mathematics up to the standard of MPC. So for the reasoning, you get only 4 to 5 questions. So go through the reasoning, Coast Guard, what are the papers have been given, and the English mock test. Near about 20 videos have been given. For all questions will be covered in that English grammar. If you want more than that, you can call me, my mobile number, on this mobile number. How exactly the exam strategy is? It has 100 marks. Within 1 hour you have to finish. My intention behind is, this is where exactly your smartness is. Though you got 950 marks, I am very sorry guys. You have to attempt the GK as fast as 15 questions. If you are known, just tick and skip in your booklet. You tick them with a pencil, and once the GK section is complete, you take the bubble sheet and directly put the answers in the respective places. So that 15 is finished. Then go to the question paper. Again, go to the faster the way you see like revision. So just go through all the questions and attempt 10 to 15, and again take the bubble sheet, put the question paper aside and start bubbling up So you have to take the question paper, tick them with the pencil, so and bubble together. Don't try to attempt by looking at the question and bubbling now. Looking at the question, bubbling now. It takes a time waste. You have to take the question paper, tick 10 to 15 questions, GK is finished. So then come to the bubbling sheet and start bubbling. So again, attempt the next, that is English. You see all the questions, tick them respective places and bubble them as per the question. So next, attempt to physics and chemistry. Again 10 to 15 questions if you are known, then bubble in the bubbling sheet. Now final stage, that is for the mathematics. You see the questions whatever you have, then you go through the 10 to 15 questions and fill it up in the bubbling sheets. Now you have a 20 minutes in your hand. In that 20 minutes, now you go through again from the starting. If you feel that you have something, you are aware of the mathematics and the questions of relevant subjects, you go through and you start making. If you are good at maths, you are aware that there are few questions who are aware for me, then you go to the mathematics and spend some time for 10 minutes in that. Then you attempt all the mathematics questions. If they say there is no negative marking, I request you guys to don't just bubble it. You just have a look in the question and then bubble it. That depends. Normally you don't have the negative mark in this, but at present situation you have a tight competition. That depends whether the negative mark will be there or not. That depends on them at the last stage only. So if they don't have any kind of negative markings, then no problem. So here bubble all the ones after every subject of all bits. Mark it with a pencil. As I told you, have to mark with the pencil on the question paper. What exactly the exam strategy? So this is what exactly as I had told. Now attempt the difficulty and time taking questions. Here what you have to remember is attempting of those difficulty and time taking questions after you finish it bubbling, then should get the score 67 questions right. If you think that there is no negative marking, you have to at least get the 67 marks minimum if you want to get selected. Different places have different cutoff. I understand if there is no negative mark, automatically the questions cutoff will be maximum. If there is a negative marking, it varies. You have to bother about the questions what you have read that has come or not the cutoff. And artificer apprentice, whoever have applied, the artificer apprentice required technical standard is more. So obviously the question paper will be different from the artificer apprentice and SSR. The both guys will not have the same question paper. Let me tell you guys, artificer apprentice is different and Navy SSR is different. Artificer apprentice guy has got the fastest promotion and the salary will be higher. So he will have the technical standard. Whoever has got the maximum marks physics, chemistry and bio, those students will be given the artificer apprentice, and the standard of examination will be more as compared to the senior secondary recruit. So remember, you have to attempt artificer apprentice guy, whoever is applying for that, you please be focused and you have to practice physics, chemistry and mathematics in a different level. So for the SSR guys, whoever has got 930 marks on physics and chemistry or lesser marks, you will be given SSR option. So this varies. So respective state artificer apprentice standard will be different and the SSR standard will be different. The question paper will not be same guys. If the question papers are same, it means it's something wrong which is happening in the naval selection procedure. It will not be that. So because the artificer apprentice guy needed more standard. Let me tell you, let me clear this. There is no other YouTube channel will tell you that you will have the same question paper. If they say, it means they are not aware of what exactly the selection procedure is. Next we have a results announcement. So as when I was given my examination of MER, Metric Entry Recruit in Navy in 2003, so that results have been announced. Once you have given examination, you have taken examination, then you come out from that place and you will have the lunch in hotels. But my intention is have the lunch in a limited half lunch. So select a, and you have the lunch, half of the lunch, and if you want to have, you can have a juice also. So you will be told to report at 1400 whatever the timing post lunch. So you have to report there. Whoever the selected numbers are there, they will be announced, and you will be selected members will be retaining over there. They will stay there, and rest whoever has not got selected, they will come out of that campus. Now whoever the selected students are there, so whoever is going for the examination, please wear sports shoes, because if you get selected, and carry one underwear, like carry one short also, you have to take out the pant and you have to wear the shorts. So in that you can wear your banyan, so and you have the shorts. In that you have to run in that campus only, then and there only. Near about 4 to 5 o'clock you will having this kind of examination physical test, which has got 600 meters and 7 minutes the time will be there, and push-ups and squats or sit-ups will be conducting there. Next, results will be given. Maximum 95% get selected. So overall, whoever the candidate have come over there, and the physical will be, everyone is preparing, and 16 minutes are more enough, and 90 to 95% people get selected in physical, and you will be called for the medical. That date will be promulgated. In our case, we had the next day onwards, but in this case they required a lot of effort to put, next day. It is difficult for the staff to call next day only. So whoever has got selected, and you will be called again after a few days, you will be called respective places. If I say in Vizag, we have INHS Kalyani, so there you will be called, and you will be done your medical. And do not eat heavy lunch, and have the half meal and juice, not more than that. Next, medical test. As I had told, you will be called for the medical. The time will be taking process. This will be like, the moment you go to the medical, you must have your root canal done, take out the wax, get it dewaxed from the take the dewaxed drops from medical store, put it 3 to 4 drops, and take out with the earbuds. So this can be done from your own only. And shave your under armpits, hair, as well as the pelvic region. Everything you have to take out and get it shaved, and the medical date will be intimated at the earliest. And you have to finish, because they have to finish at the earliest for the next batch in the Chilka training. So whatever the dates have been given, they will do it in time. And the final merit, the results of the selected candidate, whoever candidate got selected from the state wise, that will be promulgated through website. Cutoff may vary from state to state, so that will be intimated as per the notification date details. And you have to be safe and healthy at your home. Don't involve, if you have written examination and you got passed, don't think that you got the job. Negative. You may be kicked out in the merit list. So have your whatever the preparation strategy you have, maintain the decorum, stay at home, stay healthy, don't get involved in any kind of road accidents or any illegal activities. Don't involve in fighting. So I request whoever watching the students, I want you guys to have a look in my playlist. What exactly I chose preparation timings: wake up at morning 5 o'clock, study up to 7 o'clock, do some yoga and exercise 7:30 to 9 o'clock, fresh and breakfast, maths and English, you can do that. So this is what exactly my intention is, how exactly you have to follow and maintain this section wise. You take the screenshot of it and prepare as per your convenient. I want you guys to follow this, and then I hope you will get selected as per this timing. Don't waste your time. I again say best of luck. If you are qualified, it means lucky. If you're not qualified, it means more lucky. I know exactly there is a much circus in Navy. You have to undergo everywhere. Life is a circus. So if you're not selected because of some medical problems, don't worry. You have various examinations from Staff Selection Commission. You can apply for SSC, HSL, as well as CGL, MTS, whatever the jobs we have. But don't ever, never involve in bribe. don't give any kind of these kind of activities, don't involve in these things. If you have any doubts, you can call me. I'm there to help for you guys. This is my mobile number 7667302252. Whoever have watched this 20 minutes of video, comment me in the section, sir, I had watched your video and I joined in Telegram. I want to see whoever give the comment. I am ready to give them guidelines, give them a proper exam strategy preparation. So I'll personally call them and I'll give them the maximum PDFs with personal. So I'll send them maximum good material into their WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.